Hello YouTube, this is Little Brother with a product from GSI Outdoor. This is Nesting Bowl Plus Mug. They say on the back you can fit a small stove, a spoon inside of the mug. You can see bowl, mug and lid. Let's go inside the box. And see what it is. You see, the bowl and the mug fit inside each other. Let's start with the bowl. Inside the bowl there are some markings on the side. There is 500 milliliters or 20 ounce or 2 cups can fit inside the bowl in this plastic. Here you see the lid have a zipper, a little air hole. Nothing else it does. There is a insulated neoprene sleeve on the side, and inside the mug there is also room for 500 milliliters or 2 cups of water or coffee or what you put in it. This is a gear review from Little Brother. Thank you for watching.